Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Finally, a relief rally because of a very strong global cues. US markets all-time high, Japan market all-time high, but we are not at all-time high, but at least we have recovered from the recent lows. But technically, still Nifty is short and Nifty is not long. Or at the most we can say, we are not, maybe a neutral zone. So this is a tug of war between bad local cues and good global cues. And locally do not know. Yesterday ICICI Bank ADR was higher and today there is such a euphoric session all over the world. But still ICICI Bank closed in red today. Today Kotak Bank and ICICI Bank closed in red. It's just because of IndusInd Bank and HDFC Bank. So the Bank Nifty closed significantly higher. And Nifty and Bank Nifty both are up around 1% or slightly less than that. But mid cap and small cap indices have shot up more than 2%. Even the next 50 also. So mid cap, small cap, next 50, they are the spaces where the markets are oversold. Now they are recovering, but the large caps are still struggling. Number one, today TCS was not higher, it was struggling. Infosys fell. So at some point of time, both TCS and Infosys, they both were trading in negative territory. End of the day, there was some slight recovery. So IT stocks are not doing well, banking stocks are not doing well, Reliance alone, how long it can support the market. So we have fallen from 22,500 to 21,700, but at least today we have closed above 22,000 and slightly above 22,000. In fact, so many trading sessions, Nifty closed around 22,000 plus or minus 5-10 points. So markets are very volatile, but after 1 or 2 weeks not going anywhere. So as I told you already, it's neither the bulls or nor bears winning this series. It's only the option writers who are winning this series. So we are left with only 4 trading sessions. And what is surprising, just 4 trading sessions, still the Nifty future is trading more than 100 point premium to the spot. Bank Nifty future trading at more than 200 point premium to the spot. So this is unusual. Usually in the first 2 weeks it will happen, but in the last 2 weeks, the Nifty future may come to 40-50 point higher, but still the Nifty future premium is very high. So that is one thing. So anyway, during the next 4 trading session, so that has to be wiped out. So looking at the open interest, so 22,200 seems to be the resistance now, but support is clearly at the recent low of 21,700. So recent low was 21,700, the panic low. So Bank Nifty panic low was around 46,000. 46,000 I think even in future, not even in spot. Spot was even lower. So anyway, today is a weekly expiry is over. So this open interest and this and that, it doesn't make a big sense now. We will discuss all those things tomorrow. FII data is still not out. But I suspect FII must be, they are not going to turn net buyers, very seriously. So I think many FIIs are taking a cautious stance about India. As I told you in the pre-market report, Japan, Vietnam are doing extremely well. So Indian markets, due to this parliament election, so they are taking a cautious stand. So therefore, they may not be pumping in a huge amount of money, but, so our market is always like this only. So our markets are likely to be, in a range bound for the next 2 months until the parliament elections are over. So anyway, so those things we will discuss separately. So today there is no much action, but one good thing is that a 7% fall in India VIX. Now the India VIX is close to 12.5. So that is really surprising because, just 2 months ahead we have a parliament election. the process has already started. I think, the first phase of election nomination filing has already started. But still, that is not reflecting in India VIX. So if you are an option writer, I will advise you to be very, very cautious for the next 2 months. Going closer to the parliament election, the India VIX can potentially shoot up to 25-30 also. And the last 2 elections it has shot up, but this time we do not know. We cannot speculate. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.